Today I have a collaboration video for you. We have a student away at college and she has shared her must-have items that really helped her stay organized the first year at college in the dorms. Now, students don't have to be living in a dorm to benefit from these. Any student would benefit, but in the dorms, they are living in such tight quarters that key organization products will make the biggest difference for them. All items can be found on Amazon, generally ship immediately, and all the links are included in the description below. So I will show you the packaging the products are shipped in so you have an idea of how much room this stuff takes, as well as I will show you any necessary installation. I will add that no tools are required for anything in this video. They either don't require installation at all, or the product comes with any of the required tools. Let's get started. Getting laundry done is a must-have for all students, and this is the largest laundry bag I've ever seen. I really like it. When you open it up, you'll find that it's really strong and that it clearly will hold a lot of laundry, as I'll show you because I will stuff it. And it has a nice pocket in the front for any type of laundry detergent, dryer sheets, or anything else that the student wants to put in there for their laundry. The student can wear it as a backpack. It has really good backpack straps. They're adjustable, and the top cinches closed. So this is easy whether the student is going to come home with their laundry for you to help them wash, or if they're washing laundry within their own campus or at a local laundromat. This one is definitely a good one. Now this next item has multiple functions. You can store things inside it, you can sit on it like a stool, you can use it as a footrest, or you can use it to get to certain places that you can't reach, like a closet, or our student used it to get onto her top bunk when she was in the dorms. So it's really useful. I will note that the height says it's 12 inches, and that's with the lid on. The cube itself, it's just a little around 10 inches. So, but this is really sturdy and nice. Now this item, there's so many uses for this one as well, but this one for our student really came in handy when it came to storing all of her shower products and going to and from her shower area. She was able to put a towel. Now I have a fairly large towel with fluffy stuff on it, so it takes up extra room, but a large bath towel, a hand towel, you can put a change of clothes in here. There's a lot of side pockets, and the two side pockets are nice because they close where the student can put their phone or their keys. But this one, you could do so much with, and it's so inexpensive. It's definitely a good one to get. Please hit the like button if this is adding value for you. It really helps our channel out. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch our next videos when they come out. This one's pretty self-explanatory, but having different containers for whether it's their school supplies or for food or for jewelry, any use that the student has, having this little set of clear containers, they can use them any way they need to. Definitely will help them out. Now this one definitely took some assembly, but there's clear instructions. All the tools the student needs are included, and it took me about 15-20 minutes. It really wasn't too bad, and the instructions are really clear. But this cart is so versatile. This cart can be used for food, for cosmetics, shower supplies, for clothing, for school supplies like their books, their papers to help keep them organized. There's so many uses for this cart, and it tucks away nicely. It rolls easily. It has a locking mechanism to make sure it doesn't roll, but this one is really helpful, and I definitely suggest grabbing this. Now, to take this cart to another level, there's an accessory kit to boost it up. Basically, it comes with a couple cups, some hooks, and a side pouch that runs along the side where you're able to put pens and other accessories. You can put small books or other little items in there. So here's a little accessory kit that you can get for the cart. Our student really liked these crates. They're super versatile. They break down so you can see how flat they are, but they pop open really easy. You just gotta pop them into place. And they can store anything. They can store food, books, clothes. She used them in her closet for her clothes, so she would stack them and then she would use them to put sweatshirts and stack a few sweatshirts, or however she wanted to organize her clothes, but she used them for extra storage for clothing. But endless use, really useful, and the student can bring them home when they're done and you can use them wherever you need to in your house. I think this one's self-explanatory, but this could be used on the back of a bunk bed. This could be used on the back of a door, a bathroom door, a bedroom door, anywhere the students need somewhere to hang clothes, towels, you name it, bags, books, purses, anything. So this is versatile, and it comes with foam so that you can protect the doors, and this one's really solid. It worked really well for us. This light's a favorite of mine personally. I use one of these in my office so that when I have the windows open, but if it's still a little bit dark, or if it's evening and I don't want to turn on the main light in my office, I just turn this on and it gives me just enough light to see what I need to see. It charges with a USB cable and the charge lasts a long time. Like, I'll use it for a few weeks before having to recharge it. To install it, it comes with these little adapters that has a sticky side. You put it up on wherever you want to store it. It can be on a wall, on the bottom of a shelf, on a desk, anywhere that you want. So you use adhesive, you stick it on. The magnet attaches to the adapter, and it's nice because it also swivels a little bit so you can direct the light where you want. But you basically turn the light on and it has a dimming option, and then you can easily turn it off. This is a great light for not only your student, but also for any use around your home. Here's another self-explanatory one, but this is great for the obvious use of shoes. And I was able to put, my cycling shoes, I could only put one per, but for like my sandals and other shoes, I was able to put both in one compartment. And the alternate use for this, which I use at my house, is I put clear bins and I can store all sorts of things that I need to keep track of, whether it's electronics, hair ties, anything you want to put, you can put in these little dividers, and it works great. So either use it for shoes or think outside the box and use it for any type of storage that you need if the student has this vertical space available. Just need about 6 inches. These dividers are excellent at keeping drawers organized, especially when you're short on space. They're easy to pop in, they're easy to adjust and move. These are definitely a must-have for your student. This is one of our daughter's favorite items that she had in her dorm the first year. This allowed her to be able to have some storage next to her bed, whether she was on the top bunk or not, and she was able to plug in her phone or her devices. She was able to have a water with her, put a book, glasses, whatever she needed to. It gave her a little bit of storage to make things easier. The unit itself is super easy to install and fits on just about any bed frame, or it can just slide underneath a mattress. I tried that as well and it worked fine and it was solid. I actually have COVID at the time that I'm recording this, so I didn't have many options to show you different installations, so I had to use my bed that actually moves. So just pretend this is like a bed that you would see at a college dorm room, and it's so easy to install and it's very secure. So I definitely give this one a thumbs up. It's definitely well worth the investment to get your students some easy storage right next to their bed for them. The wood has a couple notches on the side so you can run cords to it, which is nice, and especially with this trio charger, which I will also link. I have that in another video for travel accessories, but this is so fantastic. And if your student is an Apple user and has an Apple Watch, has like an iPhone 11 or newer, and maybe some AirPods, this is such a great device to have. They have to have one cord to charge all three, and it fits nicely on this table. I'll link that in the description below as well. This product comes in a set of 3, and I was so surprised at how large it was. But for all students, including our student, storage is really important. So if the student has under bed storage or available space in the bottom of their closet, this is an excellent item. It's not expensive and it holds so much. And I found that the zipper is really nice. There's 2 zippers on it. It never got caught. And it slides nicely because it has a good handle on it, so students should be able to fill it up, whether they fill it with clothes, they fill it with different things. Like I tried to use different bins inside. They fit nicely, and I was able to put different socks, or sky's the limit on what can be stored in here. But these is definitely nice, and it comes with 3, so a lot of storage. Now, command hooks, I don't know if you use them around your house, but I absolutely love command hooks, and I thought this combo unit was great. This particular package here has a bunch of different types and sizes, and I think it's perfect for a student so that when they go, they can hang up pictures, their bags, anything that they want to do. And our daughter definitely loved using these in the dorm room, and it was easy to remove them and there was no damage when she left. So I highly recommend getting this package, which is a multi-pack, as well as a few other ones just for pictures. I hope this video is helpful and you're able to get your students set up and off to a great start for their school year. All links are in the description. Let me know if you pick up any of these items for your students. See you next time. Thanks for watching.